Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and I hope you guys are doing really well and learning a lot of concepts from our channel. If not, please check out our playlist. You will find 170 plus videos which are related to multiple job roles like team leader, quality analyst, trainers, project management, project lead, Six Sigma certification, statistics, MS Excel dashboards, reports, many more videos are there that will help you out to cracking your interviews, guys. So let's start today's concept. And before that, I would request everyone to please share, subscribe the channel. Don't miss to click on bell icon and also on subscribe option so that you can get all the notification on upcoming videos. And today we came up with an interesting concept, that is what is agile methodology in project management. So you guys have heard it when you were in an engineering background, or if you are working as a project lead, or if you are working with any of the project. So agile methodology is also one of the technique which is used in the project management. In the last video we have seen about the waterfall model. So please check out, guys. You will find out what are the drawback there in the waterfall model, due to which we are using the agile methodology in the project management. So also I will be adding you the link of the waterfall model and the other videos. Please check out and learn all the things very quickly. So let's start today's concept, that is on agile methodology in the project management. So what is the meaning of agile methodology? First thing, this is also a approach to give the final product with the help of the entire team who work the particular thing as a project. So considering I am a customer, I went to a corporate or any of the company, I want a product that to be delivered, or else I want a software that to be delivered. So there will be a team who is sitting, who will be working on the entire product development. They will consider that as a project, and to work on that particular project they will use certain methodology, wherein one is agile methodology, so that they can deliver the end product sincerely, nicely to the customer, so that there will be no any impact to the customer while running to that particular software or a product. So what is this agile methodology, how people will use it? This can be used in the software company, any of the customer or operation related companies, or any of the other companies as well, because everywhere we used to manage the client data, product, project, the services and all. So let's start the concept. It is also an interactive approach to deliver the project following all the phases to deliver end product to the user. Moreover, it is flexible. In the waterfall model, that is not flexible. In the waterfall model, what we have seen is the planning, requirement, design, everything will be decided in the starting of the phase, and we will deliver at the end of the phase. We will not do any changes in between of the project. We will also identify risk and everything in the starting of the project, which means that is only used for the small level. Now in the agile methodology, they will adapt the changes. They will also have a continuous monitoring, continuous discussions with the customer who is giving up the project. We will do the continuous changes also, and it is a flexible where we will adapt all the changes here, which means agile methodology will use for the complex project. So this is also known as, it's a continuous project management methodology, wherein it will work in sprint. Sprint means dividing the task into a small part, and that can be delivered within the timeline. Let's consider an example. My manager assigned me one work. He told me to complete that work in 24 hours. What I did as a team leader, I divided that particular task in three parts. I have aligned it to the three employees. I also gave them the deadline. You need to deliver me this particular task within this particular timeline. Yes, they have done it within the timeline. I collated that particular task or the project or whatever my manager asked me. I hand over it to the my manager. Now what I have done, dividing the task with the three employees, that is known as sprint. Delivering it within a timeline is also known as a sprint. Okay, let's move to the next point. There are 12 principles that to be followed in the agile methodology. Those are just a theoretical point, guys, which is early value delivery, which means uh, changes are acceptable, due to which the delivery will be superb, and they will do this in an early method. Changes for the good, I already told you, flexible. week, not month. It will not take much time. It will be delivered within a week depending on the length of the project. And partner with the business, yes, definitely it's a continuous method, and continuously we are speaking with the customer. Yes, there is a partner with the business. Motivational and the trust, direct and open communication will be done. Show and tell, whatever changes we will do, we will tell them. Or there will be a dashboard, or there will be a presentation will be created, a weekly review, a meeting will be conducted with the customer so that we can tell him what is the progress going on. It is keep it steady, yes, and never compromise with the quality. Fair enough, guys, because we are working continuously with the customer and changing, we are also adapting the changes, which means the quality will not get compromised here. We'll keep it simple, and we will also motivate and empower our team. And last, this is continuous improvement process. These are the 12 principles for the agile methodology. Let's move to the next point. What are the types of agile methodology? So basically you guys will be thinking, yeah, how could I do this, how could I develop it? Is there any documentation I need to follow, or any process that to be followed? What? So there are 5 things you can use. I can say these are the examples you can consider. Like you can also use a Scrum master tool, wherein it's a framework which will help you to complete the task, wherein it will divide it between the team, which is known as sprint, and within the timeline the product will get delivered. To know more about the Scrum, we will be working on it, guys, and we will we will prepare the videos on it. Kanban, it is also a methodology, I can say. Consider one example here. Suppose I'm working on any of the project, and suppose I'm working on a website development. Okay, my there is a customer who told to create a website, and I have started that particular website. Whatever changes I'm doing in the website, the customer is able to see this because the website is live and have started working on a live website, which means there is a tool or a board, or I can say there is a website which is already created, wherein he is checking the changes. So what is a Kanban here? A visual workflow management method that use a board or something that can be managed and moves through various stages. Work items are represented visually on the Kanban board, or else we can do like we will show the progress to the customer on the real time basis. That can be done with the help of Kanban. And wherein continuous delivery without overburdening the team members. Also the team members can also see whatever progress it is. Let us consider one more thing. I have created a checklist, I have pasted somewhere. I divided my task to the different team. I asked them, whenever you complete a task, just do the check mark, which means there is a live I can say there is a live portal available, wherein the manager can see the progress of the project, and they can track it on a continuous method. This is also known as Kanban. Now the last two are used at the software level, which is extreme programming, which basically focus on the technical related work, wherein they will do the testing, and they will enhance the program and the quality there. Lean, the word itself says removing waste from the process. This is also a method which will be using the agile methodology. I have created multiple videos on the lean management. Check out a playlist, guys, you will find a clear cut information on it. But basic meaning of the lean is removing waste from the process, and creating a product with the less cost with the high customer satisfaction. Adaptive project framework, this is also a type of a methodology which will be used in the software development, wherein they will remove the unclear details and adapt the changes continuously. Let's move to the next point, which are phases of the agile methodology. Basically in the waterfall model also we have seen 5 phases, like requirement, then design, then implementation, then testing, then the closure. So same here, we have a 5 methodology, that is envision, which means we should know the requirement, and what is the objective at the end from the customer side, we should know this. This is the first phase. Second, speculate, which means whatever requirement and the objective we have received, there is a team who will be sitting in a room. They will decide, they will do brainstorming, they will divide the task in a sprint, they will certain decide the timings also, that when can be delivered it. There will be a person or team who will do continuous monitorization on the all the tasks. They will give end details to the customer, they will accept the changes and everything. Now explore, post getting all the requirement, post dividing the task, post setting up the timelines, we will work on the end product, and we will move that for the testing. Now adapt, which means whatever product we have designed, we will show it to the customer. If customer will give the feedback, if he want any changes in the product or a project, he will let us know. We will do the changes, and we will again work on the other phases. Now last, if the product is for the one time use, we'll give the closure. If the product is for the longer run, we will do continuous monetization, and we will also check with the customer if there is any need. But at the end, all these phases, all the things will be done with the constant budget and the timeline. The last one is, what are the example for the agile practice, which is like if you're working on any of the project or a product, what the practice you can follow. Guys, you can do this for your quality improvement as well. If you want to do a quality improvement, you can follow this particular methodologies, like daily stand-up meetings, like dividing the task, which is known as sprint and iterations, and uh, we can also see retrospectives and pairing programming, continuous integration. So these are all which are used in the software method. These are the examples. Guys, this is all about the agile methodology. I would request everyone to please check out the video again, learn it out, crack your interview which are related to the project lead, project management, PMP, or if you are applying for any of the team leader, operation manager, this will help you out, guys. So also implement this agile methodology in your current role, so that you can create a project on it. And if you still need any help, please share your feedback or comment in the feedback session. Don't miss to like and subscribe the video, and also let me know if you have example in your mind. Post it or paste it in the comment section. So thanks a lot, guys, and also not miss to check out our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn page, where you will find multiple job related information as well. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.